Hi, my name is Dr. Ben here at Carpe Diem Chiropractic. Today we're going to review a little bit about what to expect with a chiropractic adjustment. So the big question is when or who needs chiropractic care? The biggest thing is everybody. Everybody needs chiropractic care. The when is now. It doesn't matter who you are or what you do, everybody needs it. Now you can push it off and wait, but that's going to mean you're going to be in worse shape, which means you need more chiropractic care. The best thing you can do is from the very young age, start getting adjusted, make sure stuff moves properly, and that'll make sure that there's no dysfunction as you age, as you grow. Now, obviously, some people don't know about chiropractic care, so we have to raise the awareness. But once people get in here, they realize that it's something they need to be doing as a maintenance thing. So the when is now. You need to be doing it throughout your whole entire life, weekly, monthly, keep that body moving. So I just want to recap the who. Everybody needs chiropractic care. When? Now. It doesn't matter if you haven't had it yet, you need it throughout your whole life. And what is chiropractic? It's restoring mobility to the joints. What to expect, more mobile, feeling able to move with ease throughout your daily life. That's why we have partnered with Supmogo, because it goes hand in hand with what we do here. It's not just the adjustments, but you have to address the tissue, the neurological system, the muscle itself. Supmogo is great because a lot of what we see with low back, hips, it all stems from the muscles in the low back being very tight. If the muscles back here aren't able to move, it's going to pull on your low back, restricting any type of flexion, whatever motions you do in your daily life. So Supmogo is incredible because it helps stimulate those muscles, work on the instability. It's very small, very compact. You can wear it throughout your daily life, which is my favorite benefit of it, and it's able to be used with ease. Anyone can pick it up, understand it, and use it and get the benefits from it. So when you pair Supmogo with what we do in chiropractic care, they go hand in hand. We're working on the soft tissue while stabilizing the joints, while making sure the joint can move properly. My name is Dr. Ben here at Carpe Diem Chiropractic, and we look forward to working with you.